Now in this video we will be continuing with the algebra exercise 3 of chapter 2. We have already started with second question, fill in, and the remaining portion of fill in the blanks number 4 and 5 I will be doing it now. So minus 9 into minus 3 into dash, that is unknown, equal to minus 81. So the question is asking you that what you should multiply with these two numbers, integers, to get minus 81 as the result. So what I said already, that you can take this value as x, the unknown. So minus 9 into minus 3 into x equal to minus 81. Now what you can do, you can multiply these two numbers. So when two numbers have same sign, the result of multiplication will have a positive sign. So minus into minus plus. Then you multiply the numbers. So first we multiply the sign and then we multiply the numbers. 9 3s are 27. So we have multiplied these two. What is remaining? Multiplied into x is remaining, which we have to find, equal to minus 81. Now in order to know the unknown, we shift all the numbers to the right hand side. So plus 27 is multiplied to x. When we shift the number on the right hand side, it will come as divided. So x equal to minus 81 divided by plus 27 can also be written as 27, or we can write it. Now again, in case of division, what I said, when the numbers are having opposite sign, see minus 81 and this is plus 27, minus and plus, the result will always have a minus sign. And cancel it to find the result. You can cancel it with 3 or directly with 27. 27 into 3 gives you 81. So this is minus 3. So x value, or the unknown value, is equal to minus 3. So with these two numbers, if you multiply minus 3, you will get minus 81. The last question, that is almost similar. 41 into minus 5 plus dash equal to minus 3. So first you multiply these two numbers. 41 into minus 5 plus unknown number, let us take x, equal to minus 3. Now when you multiply, both the numbers are having opposite sign, plus into minus will give the answer in negative. 41 into 5, 205 plus x is equal to minus 3. Now in order to find the unknown, we will shift the known value to the right hand side. So minus 205 will change and it become plus 205. But remember, the sign of minus 3 is not changing because it is still kept on the side. On the side where it was. There was no change of sign. Now when opposite signs are given, you always subtract the number. So from 205, if I subtract 3, 202, and always put the sign of greater number. So here the greater number is 205. So the answer should have a plus sign. We can write, or even if we do not write, the answer without the sign means positive. So this is 202. Now we will do the sum number 4, that is complete the series. Now for completing the series, you should know that which number is greater and which number is smaller. Now the first series A is given minus 11, the next number is minus 8, then minus 5, minus 2. And you have to complete the rest 3 blanks. Now how will you do? Now if minus 8 comes after minus 11, you need to understand what has been done. Whether something is added with minus 11 or something is subtracted with minus 11 to get minus 8. So you need to know which number is greater, which number is smaller. Now when I write positive number 8 and 11, 11 is the greater number than 8. But the same number if I write with the negative sign, which is the smaller number? Minus 11. And which is the greater number? Minus 8 is the greater number. That also means if minus 11 is smaller than minus 8 or minus 8 is greater than minus 11, how to get the greater number? With the smaller number we need to add something to get the greater number. So if minus 11 is the smaller number and minus 8 is greater than minus 11, just now shown, that means with the smaller number I have to add something to get the greater number. So minus 11 plus how much can give me 8? Plus 3 if you do, then see what is the result. Plus and minus, numbers are having opposite sign, so numbers are subtracted. 11 minus 3 gives you 8. What will be the sign? Out of 11 and 3, the greater number is 11, the sign is minus. So are you not getting minus 8? That means with minus 11 you need to add plus 3 to get minus 8. Now with minus 8, if you see, what is a series? A series is a pattern. That means you have to just know what is done with the first number to get the second number. So we have seen with the first number you have to add 3 to get the second number. That means it follows the pattern plus 3. That means with the second number, if you add plus 3, you get the third number. With the third number, if you add plus 3, you get the fourth number. So this is called a series. So if you add with the second number plus 3, check whether minus 5 is coming or not. So minus 8 plus 3. Opposite sign, numbers are subtracted. 8 minus 3 gives you 5. Sign of the greater number, with 8 you have a minus sign, so it is correct. Third number is minus 5. With minus 5, if you add plus 3, check whether you are getting this minus 2 or not. Minus 5 plus 3. Opposite sign, numbers are subtracted. 5 minus 3, 2. Sign of the greater number. So, all are correct. Now, how will you complete the series? It's a pattern. So, with minus 2, again you have to add plus 3. So, minus 2 plus 3 will give you how much? Opposite sign, subtract the number. From 3 you can subtract 2, you will get 1. And the sign of the greater number. So out of 2 and 3, the greater number is 3. And with it, there is a plus sign. So the next number will be plus 1, or you can simply write 1. Now with 1, you have to add 3. Now plus 1 plus 3. Both have same sign. What do? Add the numbers. 1 plus 3, 4. Sign of the greater number. 3 is having a plus sign, so it will be plus 4. You can write only 4 also. And plus 4 plus 3. Same sign, add the numbers. 4 plus 3 will give you 7. Sign of the greater number. Out of 4 and 3, greater number is 4. It has a positive sign. So plus 1, plus 4 and plus 7 is the entire series after completing. In the similar way, I have written the third question, that is C part. Minus 3, minus 6, minus 9, minus 12 is given. The rest 3 you have to find. Now check which is greater number. Just now I have done minus 3 is greater or minus 6 is greater. If positive number was given 3 and 6, then obviously 6 was greater. But if negative number is given minus 3 and minus 6, always minus 3 is greater. So just the concept changes when from positive number you move to negative numbers. So which is a smaller number? Minus 6. Now minus 3 is the greater number. Minus 3 is smaller number. So from greater number you should subtract something to get the smaller number minus 6. So with minus 3, how much you should subtract to get minus 6? So always what number, you don't have to think, you just take their difference. 6 and 3, what is the difference between them? 3. Just check whether it gives you the result or not. So this was the greater number, minus 3. We need to subtract something to get the next number which is smaller than minus 3. So I have subtracted 3. Now with the same sign, you know, we add the numbers. And there is no greater or smaller number. So we put the minus sign. When both the numbers have same sign, always put minus sign. So it is okay. So with minus 3, I have subtracted minus 3 to get the next number. Now this series follows like this. That means from each number, if you deduct minus 3, you get the next number. So what you will do over here, with minus 12, you need to subtract 3 to find the next number. So both are same sign, numbers will be added and the sign of the greater number. Greater number has a minus sign, so it will be minus 15. Again with minus 15, you have to subtract minus 3. So it will be same sign, numbers are added. 18, sign of the greater number. Now the last number will be minus 18 minus 3. Numbers are added and the sign of the greater number. So minus 21. This is the way you should complete the series.